Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss forms of pronoun. We will discuss first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. And what is first person singular, first person plural, and second person singular, second person plural, and third person singular and third person plural will be discussed in the following chart. You need to listen very attentively so you can understand this chart. Um, so we can see first the structure of the chart. For example, it is written in first person pronoun, second person pronoun. These are the three things we need to know at the end of this lecture. For example, type, we have three types: first person, second person, and third person. It is written here in this side, and here it is singular and the plural. It means that all these pronouns are our plural, and it is written below the singular I, you, he, she, it. These are our singular. Okay, these are our singular. Now we will see. Let's see first person first. First person pronouns is the pronoun that is used by the person who is speaking, who is talking, who is presenting. Means the person or people who present is the first person or are the first person, you can say. For example, I is here. We can take example of a teacher in a class. The teacher will use I will teach you this, I will explain it again for you. I mean, like this teacher is using such type of things, or any other person can use to understand. We are using teacher. For example, this the teacher is one, he will use I, or it is first person singular. It is first person singular. If the teachers are more, they are teaching to students and they use we are going to present, we are going to present our presentation, we are going to explain for you, you people. So then they will use we, means that the presenters are we. So this means this is first person plural, means plural, more people are presenting something. Now second person, in second person you and you, two you are written here. For example, one is singular and another is plural. For example, the students who are in front of the teacher, we are taking another the same example. uh, the teacher, the students who are sitting in front of the teacher will use you. The students are more than one, the teacher is using you. If the student is one, the teacher will use again you. That is why it is singular and plural same. If one student is listening, you is used. If more than one is are listening, then it is you again. And first person, second person singular and plural are same, both are you. Third person, third person means that the people who are being talked about. For example, if you say he means that he or she you are talking about. You do not say you, but you are two people are talking about another person, is he. Now she is the same, it is third person singular and it is third person singular. They means that more people, they are being talked about by two people, is your third person. For example, the teacher is talking about a student, and teacher and the students are talking about a student in a class. For example, they will say that uh, the student is absent, he is good at studies. Like, he is being discussed by the teacher and students in the class, and it is third person. And first person and second person are discussing about the people who are not present. They are they will come tomorrow, they will come tomorrow. Means that the third person is the person who is being talked about by people. So I hope that you have understood this chart. It is very easy one, and you can see, you can download this chart as well. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.